Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting necessary facts: SSID, exact password, and encryption type. Once collected, open a QR generator app or website that supports Wi-Fi encoding. You must choose the correct network type in the form. Wrong type breaks scanning. Next, decide whether to change router credentials first or just create a new QR for an existing network. Start with the safer option for guests. As you proceed, keep a backup of the current password so you can restore if needed. You now build the QR string precisely. Wi-Fi :T: followed by encryption, semicolon, S: SSID, semicolon, P: password, double semicolon to finish. Once done, paste that into the generator and select high resolution. Choose PNG or SVG for printing. Make sure to mark hidden if your SSID is not broadcast and test by scanning with an Android and an iPhone. After verifying connection, save the file with a clear name and version number so you can track change. You finish by replacing the old QR wherever it's used. Print new cards, upload to digital signage, or update a guest portal. Make sure file permissions prevent unauthorized edits and keep the master QR backed up. Then test scanning on multiple devices to confirm automatic join and correct network access. If someone cannot connect, check the encryption type, ensure special characters in the password are encoded correctly, and verify whether a hidden SSID requires the hidden flag. That single check solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.